how to sign in or log in Axis Bank credit card account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to log in your Axis Bank credit card. So first head over to your any of your browser, and inside your browser just search in the following command: Axis Bank card login. Once you search in, you just have to click on the first link that is not sponsored, and once you're inside here, make sure you log in with your details. You can see the profile icon at the top right here, and if you are new to the bank for the cards, simply click on this card section, and once you click here, you will have to click on the credit card section. And if you are already registered for the credit card, then you can simply follow along my another step, that is by clicking on the personal option. So let me just show you first about this. That is, if you do not have your credit card registered, you simply have to click on this no button over here, because you do not have a credit card option, and follow along the details over here by simply following these details and clicking on next, and by following the on-screen instruction. But if you already have registered for the cards, you simply have to click on this profile section over here. Once again, let me just show you by refreshing it. So once you click on the profile section, you can see the login next to the personal option. So once you click on it, you'll just have to follow along with the on-screen instruction by clicking on the customer ID and password and where you want to log in directly to. So that sums up our tutorial. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.